How to install Waka TV on Smart TV. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how you can easily install Waka TV on your Smart TV. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us begin. So the first thing you want to do is here is a guide on how you can download it. So Waka TV is only available on the following Android devices: the TV box, TV stick, Skyworth Android TV, Chromecast with Android TV. Mobile version is also live now, but unfortunately there is no option to download it on Smart TV as it is not compatible yet. So if you have an Android TV, then you're in luck. So here are the things that you need to do. The step one is you'll have to access the Play Store and download the app downloader, by the AFTV News. And then once you've downloaded the app, you'll just have to head over to the settings and then head over to security and restrictions and enable apps from unknown sources, because if you don't do that, you won't be able to download anything online. So once that is done, step 3 is to actually open the downloader by the AFTV News, and then there you can simply search for wakatv.net or this code right here to install the app. And once you do that, you can simply tap on the install button and it will be installed on your Android device. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video.